name is Daniel, I'm a member of Leon support team, and today I will show you how to get more data protection for your clients in Leon, and also how to customize the view for your group of users. If you would like to activate those functions, you need to go to the settings area, so you need to click on the gear icon, then you need to go to the privileges, select particular group of users and go to the settings tab. Here you can define if the users should see both confirmed and option flights in the ops section, if the users should be able to edit closed journey logs in both ops section in web version and in Leon crew application, if the crew members should see only crew members which are added to the preferred crew section in fleet, and this will apply to the both crew calendar and crew timeline view. If the users should see only the activities which are assigned to the same base which they are assigned. If the users should modify flights AOC, so this can be changed in the ops section in the flight tab. If the users should have access to the drafts in the crew calendar. If the users should see sales-related information in the ops view, so in both ops table, timeline and calendar, and if the users should open invoices created in sales module. Those functions will not only give more data protection for your clients, but also will restrict unnecessary actions made by your users. For more information, please contact Leon support or go to our YouTube page or our LinkedIn.